Hola amigos, hola, ¿cómo está? Welcome to, today we're in Alcala, en route to Los Gigantes. So we've got the 477 bus up here, the express bus, which is the quick bus. Don't get the 473 folks, get the 477 from Las Americas up to Gigantes, and it stops here in Alcala. And we're going to try and walk the walkway up to Gigantes today. Never done this before, so here's hope. First impressions folks are beautiful. A typical Spanish village. And so I said, oh, steps in the puddle. Thing is, I keep falling over in these videos, so I'm not paying attention. That's like third time, I think, in the last 2 days. Anyway, what was I saying? Can't remember. Anyway, yes. So we've got a little walk to do. Well, maybe quite a big walk to do. And I've never been here before. It's a new town, it's exciting. So let's go and explore. Some of these villas up here, folks. Lovely, aren't they? Right, that's the start of my walk just over there, folks. That's we've got the bus just up there, and there's all the little villas on the cliff top. Absolutely scorching today, it's been roasting. Not the ideal day for walking, but never mind. Right, let's go along this footpath and see how far we can go. I can't stop looking at that view, folks. It's just so beautiful. And I've just started my walk. So the sea turtles are preserved here, folks. Good to see. Also plenty out there somewhere. Cracking view of Mount Tidal this morning. Nice and clear. So follow the red brick path. Follow the red brick path. I've put the microphone on, folks, because it's getting windy. A few clouds building up there at Gigantes. This for the view though, folks, for a walk. Crazy. This hotel here, folks, is the Grand Melia, I think it is. It's actually got the largest pool in Tenerife. I'll show you a picture from the air. It's an amazing hotel. Right, there's normally pathways down to the rock pools here, folks, but they're all out of bounds. Obviously today, with the red flags are flying. So there's no entry to the beach today. Well, folks, you can actually see the beaches are out of bounds today as well. All got the red tape across them. So it's a no-go, so no swimming for me today. There's another beach over there, folks. Black sand beaches here. The footpath shut, folks. Disaster because of the sea.
Peores que niños. Peores que niños.
So as you can see folks, the footpath is shut, so we're not going to get to Gigantes unless there's another path all the way around, but I don't think there is. So the lifeguards are going pretty mental there because people are trying to cross when they shouldn't be, but it's very dangerous. So yeah, half the path's been washed away. Well, somebody's going for it, look. There's a man there trying to go for it. Anyway, we'll try and find another way around. If not folks, might just go back and get either get the bus back up to Gigantes or just keep walking the other way. That's what happens folks, it's an adventure. So sorry for the excess wave footage folks in yesterday's and today's videos, and maybe the next couple of days. It's just so therapeutic to watch. I love the coast, I love being by the sea, as you probably know. But I was on the phone on FaceTime there to my mate Hammy, and he said he's never seen the tide this high up here. Those rock pools down there, you can normally swim in them like all day, but not today folks. Tide's too high. Right, we've got an hour to get back to find this bus stop to get back to the Las Americas. I just found a wee spot in there. I think it's a church maybe in front of me, a little church square. Just a little seat. A little breeze, nice little breeze up here today. Just watching the world go by, all the locals. Down there's a lot of people actually swimming off the harbour. A lot of English voices though. Must be Brits abroad. Here for the winter sun. Oh, it's a nice breeze. Anyway, this is where I am folks here. Just on this little kind of promenade beside this kind of church area. I'm going to try and maybe get up there before the bus comes, but we'll see. I'm loving to come across all these little restaurants en route. Looks like maybe a fish restaurant, I don't know. Look at the view it's got though folks, overlooking the sea. So thank you so much for joining me on my day out here in Alcala. Didn't quite get to Gigantes, but maybe get there on another day on the bus folks. But I really enjoyed coming here to Alcala. I like coming to new places and discovering natural beauties like this place. So remember folks, the bus number 477 from Las Americas area, and you'll end up here in beautiful Alcala. Things I could walk on and on, but the bus is coming folks. The bus is coming. Thanks for watching folks. Adios amigos. See you soon. Check these out. Holiday apartments. So this is Alcala High Street. It's a very busy street folks. They did a bypass I think from this town. There's always jams in here. Now the bus is going to be busy because I forgot it's the kids are coming out of school and they're all waiting here for the bus, so let's hope they don't get on my one. I think they maybe got on the 473, which is the one that goes around all the houses. 477 is more direct. So this is where you get on the bus here folks, just under the that sign there for Casa Mon. Folks, it's sunset time. It's about 6:10. We're on the hotel terrace here. I've got it all to myself tonight, there's nobody here. Beautiful sunset. It's the first one we've seen all week. It's the terrace behind me. As you can see, there's nobody here apart from me. I've got it all to myself. Nice one. Right in front of me is actually the moon. You can see the moon.